I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do. I think I should probably do a little bit of video and send it down to the new coach.
But they never seen indoor soccer?
Probably not.
Yeah. Want me to put a stupid comment in the video?
What's that?
What is this Jacksonville? Part of Michael Jackson family?
Good. Excellent.